Okay. Something followed me home, and I didn't realize how big the number 4 was when I got it until it showed up and we took it off the pallet. Holy, this thing is way bigger than the pictures. Like, that's my hand. It is, I think it is, oh my gosh, it's got to be 45 centimeters end to end, 450 mil. And it is capable of bending I think it is a 12-inch radius of pipe or wire or flat bar or whatever, depending on what die you have installed. So this was an auction score, and I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think I was gonna win it, but anyway, here we are. I took off the tag just so you guys don't see where I get all my stuff from. But it is a pretty spectacular machine. I do not have room for it. So, but I kind of wanted it, but we'll see what happens. So what you do is you put your pipe in here, and then this swings, and as the pressure gets put on here, it folds it in. There's another little die very similar to this one where it's kind of cupped. It goes over top of it when you bend. Oh, jeez Louise. This thing is so heavy. Just even looking at it kind of makes me just a little bit worried. I think it shifted a little bit when we moved it. Or no, that one's just got a weird screw on it. It has a couple stops, right? So you put it at 90 degrees. It has this I guess this is a lock, right? So it's like a lock to the pipe, so it holds it down. And then you get these different forming dies to do different bend radii. It weighs probably 600 pounds, I'm not going to lie. It used to probably at one point have a chain that helped you winch it, but that has since come off, and somebody's ground this down, and you can tell like it's been heavily used. Some pretty heavy duty wear marks on it. It's spent a lot of things in its life. It also has a little micrometer adjustment, so you can get your tension pretty perfect. The other thing it has is it has this roller, but you can also get a finger, so it bends differently in different ways that you can work with it. Anyway, auctions. Careful what you bid on. You might win it, and you might not have room for it.